Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure the Marshall Major Roman 4 and your phone are ready. Charge to at least 20% and enable Bluetooth on the device. Once done, clear any old pairings on your phone to avoid conflicts, because multiple saved devices can prevent automatic pairing. Next, press and hold the headphone power button until the LED indicator flashes or a pairing prompt is announced. That active pairing state is what lets the two devices find each other. With the headphones in pairing mode, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and start scanning. The Marshall Major Roman 4 should appear in the Available Devices list. Tap the listing to initiate connection. Your phone may show a pairing approval or ask for a PIN, accept or enter 0000 if prompted. Once connected, you'll see a confirmed status and audio routing will switch. Make sure media volume is up and test playback to verify finish by testing music playback, volume controls, and the microphone to ensure everything works as expected. Move closer if range seems weak. If connection fails, reboot both the headphones and your phone and attempt pairing again, because transient Bluetooth errors often clear with a restart. If problems persist, update your phone's OS and headphone firmware where available, or perform a factory reset on the Marshall Major Roman 4 to clear stubborn pairing data. One reset usually fixes recurring pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.